Hey guys, what you see here is our brand new MRT EcoFlow exhaust system for the 2013 Ford Focus ST. I'm going to try to walk around the table for a 360 view so you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like in person. The exhaust is made right here in Plymouth, Michigan by MRT out of 304 grade stainless steel. It's been engineered to give performance gains along with a sporty performance sound with minimal drone. To learn more about the MRT ST EcoFlow exhaust, give us a call at 734-455-5807 or visit us online at shopmrt.com.